Hello and welcome to another day and another video from Garden Cam Man. That's me. This video contains quite a few different things, but we're starting off here with some edges. This is out the front of a house, nature strip as it's known, or a verge. Some people call it a verge, but anyway, I call it a nature strip. But yeah, as you can see, you just whippersnip around one side, but to get the fine edge on the other side, I just flip the whippersnipper around and slowly but surely just creep along with the cord, touching against the concrete. It kind of finds its own way in there, and it'll just dig its way along and make a nice perfect edge. Then I just go around the top, do it flat to take off all the extra bits of grass that are still sticking up. You can't get it all, so yeah, just a flat lap after the fine edge lap, and then just blow out the grooves. I did a couple of slow-mos there, as you can see, just to show the cord in action. And yeah, just blow out the gap, and that should leave a really good looking fine edge. You don't want to make the edge too wide, so as you can see there, just a perfect edge. And now moving on to the next job. This was a big old country property. You find the country jobs much bigger lawns, much harder work. So yeah, there's a bit of ride on mowing going on there, and it'll take a couple of hours just to do the job around there, and then I'll move into the suburb area and do a bit more mowing. Bit of whippersnipping. Actually didn't do any weeding today, which is a change, and then finishing off with a little surprise at the end, as I always like to put a little surprise of some sort at the end. Anyway, thanks for visiting, and hope you like the video. yuccas. Get all these yuccas off the lawn first. They will wrap around the mower blades. No good. These parts I better put some water on. Might not have a choice. Personal hate. People just chuck their crap out on the grass. Don't pick it up. We'll just leave a pile around thinking I'll take it. They know I will, but it still annoys me. Do the work to clean up the mess. Look who's waiting at the end of the driveway. It shouldn't actually be down here. Sneaky birds. The turkey. And all the little turkeys. What are you doing down here? Oh no. Come on, move up. If I rev the engine, they'll get moving. There they go. Gotta round them up. Off you go, come on. That's it, go back where you belong. There's a lot of white ones. 3 brown ones, all white. Come on, keep going. Keep going. That's it. Gotta get home sometime tonight. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Hope the gate's open. Oh, the gate has to be open because if the gate wasn't open, they wouldn't have come out. Now they're heading back. It's going to be a long drive. It's a long drive. Just going up your own driveway sometimes. Now they're making them run for their life.